Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be unboxing the brand new OnePlus 12. I'll be sharing the full unboxing experience and just giving you my overall impressions on design and feel of the device itself. Unfortunately, I am not allowed to really show you any more than that until a later date, but I still wanted to share this unboxing experience with you all, so that way I can get started testing this device and get the videos ready for when I am able to show you a whole lot more with this device right here. I did have the opportunity to check it out just for a little bit at CES, but in the blue color, as you can see right here. Absolutely beautiful, really loving that blue color. But the one they sent me here is actually the silky black color, as you can see right there, coming with 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of internal storage. As you can see, this is the OnePlus 12, and I did already cut off the stickers on the sides just to make this unboxing experience a lot smoother. But we are going to be checking out the silky black here, so let's see what this unboxing experience is like. Taking off the top just like that. Okay, first thing we are greeted with is another little box that says never settle. So of course, a little OnePlus branding there. And I'm sure inside is all the usual welcome kit, the user manuals, all that stuff. As you can see here, welcome, quick guide, safety guide, membership card, and then your SIM ejector tool right there. We don't really need any of this right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just set that over to the side. And then we have the phone itself. Go ahead and pull this up here, which I'll set to the side for now. Let's see what else comes in the box. It looks like there's nothing, but if you kind of turn it over, as you can see, it comes with a charger brick. Now I believe this is a 100-watt fast charging brick, and it's going to allow you to take advantage of the super fast charging on the OnePlus 12. So you can see right here, it says Super VOOC, so we're gonna be able to take advantage of that Super VOOC charging. Of course, we also get the charging cable, that red that OnePlus is known for, USB Type A to USB Type C. So that is always a nice addition. Samsung, Google, I mean, come on, let's get it together. Start including the charging bricks with your devices so we can be able to take advantage of the super fast charging that you guys offer as well. But right here, we got the OnePlus 12. Let's go ahead and take this off. Oh, I think I kind of ripped that off, but here we go. Set that over to the side, and here is the device itself. Look at that display, looking all brand new. It looks like we do have some curved edges, and is that a, that is a pre-installed screen protector that I am seeing on this display right here. Front-facing camera. I am not allowed to turn the phone on. We will save that for later. Over here to the left, we do have the slider right here. I'm assuming this is to be able to mute your device or unmute it. And then we have the power button on the side and the volume rockers, and then going to the back. Hold on, let me take this sticker off real quick so we can admire the true beauty of this device. Look at that silky black. Oh my goodness, it feels so good as well. It's got like a nice frosted feel to it, a nice frosted look, but that black, it just shimmers. This has got to be one of the nicest blacks that I have ever seen on a smartphone. Let's see. Let me see how good I can get this on camera. Look at how good. I mean, it definitely does look like a silky black. It is looking so nice. And just looking at this device right here, I mean, it's got character. Look at that camera module in the back. I know this is something we've kind of seen last year with the OnePlus 11, but it's just something different, and it kind of gives like that classic watch feel. So if you look at this, it's kind of like, you know, you're wearing like a classic watch on your wrist, and they kind of described it to us like that at CES as well. And it just has an overall very distinct look. I mean, you look at this, you know it's going to be a OnePlus device, and over here to the edge, it kind of just melts in to the edge of the device. But I actually really like the look of this phone. We got the rounded corners there. Down at the bottom, we got the speaker, the charging input, USB Type-C, microphone, and the SIM card slot. Up at the top, microphone, and whoa, what is that? Look at that. We got an IR blaster too. So the OnePlus 12 is coming with an IR blaster as well. But my goodness, this is looking so beautiful. It just feels so good in the hand as well. Like I almost don't even want to put a case on this device. I mean, it feels good. It doesn't feel too big, but it doesn't feel too heavy either. It's nice and light, but it doesn't feel cheap. It has a nice premium feel to it, but I am really just loving the black on this OnePlus 12 right here. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment sections below. It looks like we have a flash up here as well. Got the camera system. But yeah, y'all let me know your thoughts. Like I said, I'm not really allowed to show you any more than what I've shown you already. I just wanted to give you guys a close look at this device before I get my content started. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And then y'all saw everything that comes in the box here: charging brick, charging cable, all the other user manuals, books, SIM card, or yeah, SIM ejector tool, and we even got an adapter up here as well for transferring over data as well when you're ready to transfer over from your other device. But absolutely beautiful, the OnePlus 12. Y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. What do you think about the overall OnePlus 12? Just the overall look, design of it, the unboxing experience. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you're not missing out on any other future videos to come, especially all the videos that I have coming for the OnePlus 12 here. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.